Good morning. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing me for the first time, hi, welcome. I'm Flawless Chick. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'll hold on for you. Click on that subscribe button now and join the family. Turn on the post notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you will be the first to be notified. So let me chill for you to do that. Have you done that? So let's go. So today I'm going to be visiting a historical place here in Enugu State, Nigeria. If you don't know, I am a core member currently serving in Enugu State, Nigeria. So we're going to be going hiking first. Then afterwards, we would all go to the Ezeagu waterfalls to see how it looks like. So I'm going to be bringing you guys along. You're going to be meeting some of my acquaintances. I don't want to call them friends. What should I? Let's just use the word friends. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me on this trip. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I anticipate to do. So let's go.
Isn't it funny how much you mean to me? I can get my head around how we used to be. You said you love me, and I gave my heart. You cannot care less, you were tearing me apart. Oh, I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Oh, convincing me this cannot
So guys, we're in the village, and on entering the village, they're telling us we have to pay 10,000 naira for 2 buses. That's 5,000 naira per bus. So we're trying to negotiate with them down to like 6,000, 5,000 naira.
You can hear me?
I'm not recording him now.
Yeah, because doing the video.
Say we want use leg wakani.
No, the minute.
Guys, so we're trying to negotiate with them. They said we should pay 5,000 naira per bus, and we came with like 2 buses. So we don't know what they are charging this money for, but we still have to pay at the end of the day. But we're definitely not going to pay 10,000 naira. We're core members for crying out loud. Oh Ghana, Nigeria, you there? You are not in Egypt. They will extort you for every opportunity they have. So don't. They not like Ajebo. I know if you survive with Kako safe.
I like you. I like ask
Eh, you get what I'm called. Oh.
Don't move.
Yeah, move.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying?
Hi guys, so we just got here now, and I kid you not, the trip was long as fuck. From one village to another.
Counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional. You say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking.
Say hi, Tessie.
Hi Flawless, look at us. Look at our shameless life of a YouTuber outside. So that's Flawless.
Today's struggle is even out of this world, I swear.
How are you even able to balance it?
My sister, you have to do what you have to do.
Man, jealousy, I think it's jealousy. But hell with it, still like a melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception?
My body don't they scratch me, oh. This is transparent, please. Is water meant to be colored? And you're
so white, like.
Lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. Yeah, I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it.
Rocco. Deep guy. Deep. How deep, Abel? How deep? Deep. Deep. Let us say a fish now. Tell me now. How deep? How deep? Don't pass it. You don't have this way. Don't pass it. Shallow place.
We not be 5 person, no.
Shallow now. Okay, thank God. Yeah, too good.
Pretty high. I can see the sun on your skin, oh, okay.
Which sun?
No, this one is penetrating for her somewhere.
Okay.
How look at it now. Yes, it is. Relaxation for me. There's no need of going to spa. This is okay.
Just right now, that. Have we get the outer cup? That's all.
Okay.
I don't swim. I didn't care. I don't understand.
Don't go and follow. Banana. How can somebody be this fine? God, what's going on here? How beautiful, how fine, how okay. No, just check out. Check it out. Check it out.
Isn't it funny? We came to that. I thought I won you over, but you were holding back. Isn't it funny? You could not care less. How you took those words back, now I'm just a mess. I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Convincing me this cannot be. Trying to find another way. Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Isn't it funny? always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong.
Guys, we are finished and we are going to our house. Who is this one hiding behind me? Oswald. So we have to climb up the hill because the bus can't carry the bus with the size and the weight of everything.
You could not guess how you took those words back. Now I'm just a mess.
So we're done and we're going to our various houses.
Yeah, YouTuber, we are done.
We're done and we're going to our various houses.
Yes.
Enough energy for one day. Some of us, we still they go church tomorrow. We're going to go and rap about. So I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. See you in the next vlog.
Tell me if it's whatever that's wrong.